way. I actually like. So do you know those like big bottles, like big metal bottles, which would make last time in the shop?
No, no, what, like metal pipes? What, like
yeah,
that?
basically like that, but like a metal pot, like a metal bottle.
Sure, yeah.
I always smash those against my knee as hard as I can.
Why? What is
I
wrong
like
with
pulling.
you? You like that?
I think it's funny to me.
Guys, this man is insane. What the thing?
No,
I wanna make my.
I hit against my head, not my head. I smashed my head against the
No, you're just
table,
mentally
like,
wrong.
like 5 times.
No, you're literally just mentally wrong. Wait, put that in the middle. What the fuck? Right, just get out of the game.
I'm in the game.
Stop breaking your kneecaps.
No.
Sitting over giggling. Join,
Can you send me?
man. Yeah, I'll send you like 7. What the hell? Bro, stop.
I love being crazy. Am I crazy?
Yes.
Crazy.
God. What? Shut up. What the fuck? Hold on. Do you need another invite, don't you?
No.
Wait, can you join?
Yeah. Hans.
Pointing only goes up there for so. Aha. Wait, be the one that has cancer. Doesn't one have cancer?
Yeah, Hunter has cancer. Hunter
Huh?
has cancer. Hunter
Yeah.
has cancer.
One.
I am the Hunter.
Okay. Now people are gonna think you're like actually mentally disabled.
I actually am. It's funny.
So am I, but not as bad as you. I will be right back. You look beautiful. My good sir. Right, I don't know where we're going. Where are we going? Get out of my way! Wait, we need to go get this bat.
Up. Bat. I go kill.
Okay, bye. I'm going this way.
Oh. I fell all the way down.
Give me that. Yum 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 yum
I have to
yum.
climb all the way back up now. How do I get back up?
Oh, you climb. Find a way, bruv. The hell?
I drowned.
You drowned. Wait, how'd you drown?
I cannot get up. I'm being eaten.
Eaten by what?
Leech.
Oh yeah, that's where we need to go. I'm pretty sure.
It's just straight down the hole. Ooh, here's cauliflower.
A what cut? Oh, the popcorn.
Yes. No, cauliflower.
Oh yeah, it's because you die. I'm coming down.
No, don't jump in the water. They're very dangerous.
Ah!
They eat you.
Ah! Get off!
My body's
Get off.
fully gone by the way. Cause oh, hey, there's my body over there.
What?
Over there on the right. Jump back down.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to get out of it.
You're pointing left on my screen.
Where do I need to go? I think I'm stuck.
You just jump into the water. Let's restart cycle.
Oh,
Oh, you actually got through. I got dragged back up. Oh, they're all following me. They're all following you, by the way.
oh, I'm dead.
Dude, they all follow you. They're all following you.
Oh no! Oh, no! Damn it, man! I'm dead. Bro, stop laughing. It's not nice. Fuck this game. What the hell?
It makes me back again.
God. This little fucking goblin, man. Ah! Shut up, fam. So rude. Damn it, I forgot the other one. No! Oh, yeah, that actually helped. What the heck? Bro, shut up!
No.
Oh my god. No one's gonna watch my videos if you're fucking doing this, man.
Door. Door.
Oh, shut up! Ugh.
Okay, well, that's still brown. Yummy PC. Delicious.
Uh,
Where are you?
I'm eating food.
Where?
Right, we have enough to sleep.
You come back to shower, I need some help.
Right. I'm
You're
gonna
going to the librarian.
go see if I can
Hello.
do something. Oh, you
I'm being dragged
bitch.
down. I'm being dragged down. They're too heavy. Siri, please help. Can you please help me? I'm over here. Did they all blocking that one? Oh, hey, camouflage.
Go! Go! Oh no! I hate this game. And are you still alive?
Oh, yeah.
Bruh.
I just ate the bloody cauliflower. That's so mean.
I don't know where we're supposed to go because it's like impossible to get back because we have
Here
to
we
jump
go.
a giant gap. Yeah.
That's a leap. Like, go hold on, culturing.
No, look at this. Ah! Oh no!
You.
Jump in the water and lead him over to on the left to where that. No, the other side, you idiot. The other side! The other side! You're gonna drown. Stop saying that.
I'm being killed. No, I'm being dragged down. Owie, yes, mean.
Oh, leave me alone. You're gonna need to come down here as well to lead them away from me.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Restart.
I can't. You have to restart.
Hmm.
I don't think it's enough to hold it down anyway.
Get off of me. Ah! Do you regenerate in this game? Like health?
I think so. Also, dude, you're being dragged down.
No, I'm not.
You're like halfway down in the water for me.
Oh, piss off. Get up! Thank you. Get off my body, man.
Yep.
Right, the next section is really annoying. So just go. Okay, no,
I just slammed my leg onto the table with my desk in accent.
No!
You're being held down.
Shut up, man.
I love pain.
We're so bad at this.
I'm gonna point at you when I get in from this morning.
But I think I have it. I think I know it.
I'm gonna point at you. Just wait. Come back.
No, I'm going.
Oh, I'm coming for you.
Alright, I need to... Don't, like, attack me. I think I know how I'm supposed to do this.
I'm gonna kill you.
I need 2 of those pink ones. Give me you.
I need a cauliflower. Give me this. Yummy, yummy.
There you go. Just trial and
We
error.
have approximately all day to do this.
This is gonna
And
take
there's
a while.
8 tomorrow left. Oh, hi. Hello. Hi, what's up? Hi, hello,
Okay.
what's that?
How do I drop, or do I have to throw it?
I think is it. I think if you press down and shift. I
Well,
mean
like,
down. Ow! Yeah, it didn't even work. They're all still here. They're all circling me now.
no, it like stuns them. Right
No,
now, there's only like,
they're all moving.
oh my god, I only have 2 on me.
I have them all. I'm being
Okay,
killed.
good, good.
Hello, Brendan.
Get up!
Oh,
Get
shit.
up, man!
I'm dead. I'm being circled.
Yes.
Dude, I hate water. I hate that. I hate water.
Okay. Go up for air! Go up! How were you meant to do that? Oh my god. No, we're gonna need to do the. No, we're gonna need to do this together. We both need to grab one of those purple things.
You have to wait every time I'm loading in because I always get something before I load in. Like,
Right, let me grab this. Let me grab this.
Mummy,
No, don't! Oh my god. Fuck's sake. Bro, I literally said don't jump in like 6 times and you jump in.
I didn't mean it. You said it to me. Now what do we do?
No. Stop. Ah! Go. I don't know how I'm meant to do this because there's too many. I need. Right, are you still alive?
Yes.
Okay, good. Are they like in one spot? Are you on the boulder?
Hello.
And I'm dead.
Stop it. Go, run. Yeah.
You need to sacrifice yourself.
No. I don't want to. Hello.
I'm going. Oh, we could do this. This is easy.
Teaser man. Hello.
No, get out. Get out. I can't go down. Oh shit, they're coming.
Shoot, I think.
Stay there.
No, it's only one. There's only one. You only
No,
missed
no,
it.
you're
You
gonna
go
need
back.
to. You're gonna need to like stay there, cause.
No, they gone away. They went away. Yeah, I'm being serious when I'm saying this, but they went away.
Right, yeah, I believe you.
I'm going. Oh!
I made it. Yes. Bro, I just need to not die. Right, come quick, come quick.
I can't. I'm going. Oh, I'm going down.
No, you're dead.
I'm going down, but I'm
No,
going
no, no,
up.
it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Oh, yummy.
Eat that. Oh, no, we need way more food. I have enough food now. Bro, be quiet. Good shit. Oh, there's a gate! There's a gate! But we don't have enough karma, I don't think. Yes, I have enough. No, I have enough. Wait. Do we not? No, do it.
So you hold down space. You should say the bottom left to big circle.
No, I've changed my keybind. Do we not have enough?
Ow!
Please do it,
Yeah, don't
man.
do it enough. How do you change your keybind?
We can't. You can't do it in game. Please, man. No. No. But we know how to do it now. So do I not have enough?
No, I think it's done, and then we can go.
I think I need one more grace. I'm just gonna call it grace because it looks like a grace from Elden Ring. But it does though, literally. Right, I'm gonna.
Stab yourself.
Huh?
Dude, go down the bottom. Go down the bottom. Go down the bottom route, and it could possibly be a shelter and closer.
No, because there's a shelter like what down here?
Yeah, in the bottom.
Oh, down here.
No, look to your left.
No, that's the one I came from.
No, you came to the very left.
No, I came from this one down here.
What?
I came from this one.
I must be dumb though.
Totally.
Oh wait, I already am a dumbass. Sorry.
I think you can swear anyway. Doesn't matter. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it back without dying.
Oh.
Are
I'm to your
you?
right. I'm to your right.
Wait. To my right.
I'm top in the corner of that little rock thing.
I think I see.
I'm dead.
Yeah. Are you serious?
Yeah, I kept on getting pushed up and stuff down.
No, they're just camping here.
I die.
What, down there?
No, in the top right, in the right side.
I'm dead anyway. It's fine. Bro, stop doing that.
Bro, I am Angry Birds. I got.
Right, come on. Get the shit together. Stop. Stop. Stop.
I'm gonna scream.
Oh my god, bro, shut up. Nah, it's actually really fucking annoying now.
Okay, stop. Let's stop. Can I do a backflip?
Right, we need to get across. But I don't know how.
I'm sliding down. I need help.
Bro, we're stuck here.
Bye.
Wait, I might be able to.
Oh. I'm dead.
I think I got it. I think I got it.
I hate you.
Oh, oh, this is like way worse. Swim! Swim!
It's not way off.
Oh,
I hate water. I hate this.
I think we just go the other way. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come here. Do we have enough karma? Have you looked at the bottom left?
We have no karma anymore. No, we need to get across. We need to get.
Can we go the other side?
No, that's just a dead end.
Huh?
Yeah, that's literally just a dead end. There's nothing there. What do we do? Do you want to just restart from the a different checkpoint? Because we can do that. Yeah, we can do that.
Thanks.
No, because we're stuck here. We literally can't get out.
No, I know.
How then? Oh wait, yeah, I think I might know. We need to go. We need to grab an object, and then we need to throw it while we're jumping. There's a ribbon plant. That's from Subnautica Below Zero.
Go get one of those. What fruits? Go get one of fruits.
No, let's grab a rock because we don't want to waste food. Sorry.
Ow.
There's a rock down there, I'm pretty sure.
Rock. Where? I want fruit. Give.
Don't know. Maybe down here. I mean, there's this.
Give.
Move.
Now,
I'm just gonna.
Where's the rock?
There's no rocks. Just grab the blue thing.
Oh.
Wait, can I use it? Can I use it with a this?
I'm eating this.
Nope.
Okay.
Right, we got a grace back.
Moving.
Wait, grab a thing, and then throw it down here. Because I'm gonna make a run for it to the left. Drop one of the. You need to
Okay.
get a red one, so you have to go back in. I mean, you could do it.
The blue
Try a
one.
blue. Yeah, try a blue one. Try a blue one. Yeah.
It does make it. I can't get out. It's too heavy. Blue guy heavy.
The blue guy's lighter.
No, blue guy heavy. I can't really climb.
No, you're just weak. Oh no.
That work?
Why did I go down so far? That's my question. You're gonna need to do another one because I just sank to the bottom.
There's no more.
Oh, are you serious?
There's
Is
one
it-
more bird fruit.
Right, go.
No, I actually can just make the jump right now if I wanted to.
Go on then.
Right, let me just get the fruit down if I can even get it down. Dude, so how do you leap again?
I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, but I know how to do it. Is
I
that?
can't even get off the pipe. I keep on falling down the fucking pipe.
Oh. Get off me, man.
Got it. I've got yummies.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm the goat. I'm not the goat. No.
I just fell all the way down.
I'm dead. Am I dead? Yeah, I'm dead.
Can you press tab, you can spectate me.
Nah, I'm just restarting.
Right, so dude, wait, how do you leap? I forgot. I don't even know how to leap because it won't let me.
Oh my god, you're so dumb. You're so
Dude, I'm gonna
silly.
kill you. I'm gonna hit you with a rock.
No.
You better get your stupid looking ass back down here.
Right. Right. Come here. Come here. Come here. Right.
You won't
I
get
know
something.
how to do it. I know how to do it. I know where the nearest shelter is. No, I don't. But come in here. Right. I'm gonna do some quick tactics. Give me that. Jump on here. Whoop.
Yummy,
No.
yummy. Yeah.
Right. No. Right. Grab the food. Grab the food. We'll go down. I will do the thing. I will try to find a shelter, and then I will sleep in it, and then you will die, and then I can revive you back at the shelter.
I found 2 yummies. Went down the wrong pipe and now I'm dead.
Go. Up
Dude, can you
here.
tell me once I need to press in order to
Shush. I need to focus.
What do I do now?
Wait.
Aww.
Right. Here's the grace.
So mean.
Oh, there's a pearl. I can give that to the scavengers. If I ever find
I
them.
want shiny. Give me the shiny. Give me the shiny now. No.
You're not a scavenger, bitch.
Oh, dude, we can go to the gate now. Let's go to the gate.
I made it. I made it.
I just triggered a worm. I just triggered plant.
I need to pee pee. What's in here?
It's a plant trying to grab me. I don't like it. It's
Oh.
mean. The plant just grew.
I need to go to the toilet. I'll be right back.
I need to send you something on Gmail right now. Fine, I'm just sending you in Discord.
No, there's leeches
I will-
everywhere.
I need Discord. When did this? Now go
I
on.
can't
We're gonna die.
swim there. How do I get through here? Because I can't go down there. Oh my god, I need to go down there. Oh. Wait.
Huh?
I got the idea. I need... Aha.
You're
I'm gonna grab
mean.
two
I
just to be
can't
sure.
I can't. No, I can't.
Oh, I can't grab two.
Yes, come. Kill them now. Dude, they're too heavy. I don't understand.
I'm the monk, remember?
Huh?
I'm the monk, remember? So I'm like stronger than you.
Boy, that's me. You know,
Well, no, it's
oh, yeah,
literally a
I'm
fact.
fat. No, I have cancer.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I think you're dead.
Oh, I'm not dead.
Oh, you live. How?
Because I used the pop explosion pop.
What did the
Scrap!
pop-up explosion pop-up do?
Right, next room.
What's the pop-up explosion pop-up do?
Wait,
I don't think you can climb that.
yeah, you're right.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I told you. That or the 9.
Wait, so what do I do? Wait, so
You
like,
don't. You go to you have to go to the next room because you see those 2 pipes. They both have
yeah,
holes,
no,
this
but
one
I
doesn't.
don't know. There's like holes in the.
Yeah, or the 9. Which one?
What do I do? Like,
Yeah.
wait.
Which room did you come from anyway?
That's the only way. I have to go up there, but I don't know.